Alright, we've got our opening here cut by the highway, and we're gonna go ahead and dump in the roar here, check our sample, do some poking around and see what we got. Hey guys, what you're seeing here is the first day of my brother's wheat harvest down in Dayton, Washington. This is August 2020. This first part video is going to be mostly of my nephew and I running around as Rory was helping his father-in-law to finish his harvest before we moved this equipment out. So part two will be Rory's operation and whatnot, but part one is a lot of hanging out with my nephew, a lot of good conversation, and just taking in the sights. This was taken on a weekend that luckily had a little bit of action. As per the usual, I had to, just as things were getting kicked off, had to return to my regular job, unfortunately. But anyway, got a little bit of time in nonetheless, and so I hope you enjoy the video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, take this one in and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Alright, we're about empty, and I'm going to go check in with Rory.
Do you?
This is when you say, okay, it's August. Oh, wait, it's not quite August, is it?
No, it's like
2020 harvest has just begun out at the Kenwright Ranch. I got Lyam with me.
Hey guys.
Just had lunch and a little nap. Well, I had a nap. And we're gonna go. It's 103 degrees. We're gonna go out, see if Papa's combine's still running, right?
Yeah.
Hopefully it is, because what happens, Lyam, if we get done today?
My dad can start tomorrow, hopefully, and then we could get done faster, and then we could have more time to do stuff.
Yeah.
With family.
All right, so let's.
Oh, it went down.
It's okay. Then tap on the screen. It just goes black. Then so we'll see you in the field. And then hit that top button. Red light. There you go. Show.
Hey guys, so this is where I live. That's my dad's combine right there. It's in case 22388, and that's my dad's header, and that is my house. And see if we could see my dogs. There's Sheba. That's my Uncle Brett's car that's broke down.
What happened with it?
The tranny, the fuel, he's been driving with out a gas cap.
Oh.
And so he was driving and he was going to Lyam, and he broke down on the middle of the highway on the freeway. And so my mom, she went to go get him with my papa, and they got home at 5:30 in the morning. And it was a long night for them. They were struggling, they were tired, and it was hard for them because my mom has never stayed up that late.
Oh, that's terrible.
Yeah.
She just got a hotel room or something.
Yeah, but they drove home, and we're almost to the field now, but I'll just show you guys some wheat. So that's winter wheat right there. That's winter wheat.
How can you tell winter wheat versus spring wheat?
I can tell because usually winter wheat grows faster. In spring wheat, you can see that like there's a little bit green spots.
Okay.
And has some green stuff in it. But if it has not that many green in it, you can go very slow through with your combine, and then you can, then if it goes through the green slow, you might be able to do it, but it's usually bad if it does that. But usually winter wheat grows faster because you seed it before the winter, before the coming winter. In the fall you seed it, but in the spring, well,
Once you got it pointed off, we'll stop moving along now, Liam.
I'll tell you guys in a second, but here you go. How do you zoom in?
Well, that's the one thing about the GoPro. No zoom.
Barely tell.
I know.
So what my papa is harvesting right now is a mixture of, I forgot, but this is not even his field. He's just harvesting it.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, you mean it has another landowner?
Yeah, and he's only harvesting it. And the reason you guys see that stuff, that those lines, is because me and my dad and my family, the Donahue Ranch, Robinette Ranches, we don't have enough equipment. We don't have balers, so we can't do this. It will just spread out all over, for my dad at least. But yeah, so yeah. There's my papa and his combine.
Should we go up on top of the hill, Liam?
Yeah.
Up there?
Yeah, yes. There's my mom and my dad. My dad's in the semi.
Is he in there?
I don't know. Well, that's the semi.
I don't see him. Oh, he's in his pickup.
There he is. And then my mom is in the tractor, and that. And we're gonna go up on top of the hill. How do you say it? Hill.
On the hill?
Yep. And then we'll see you guys up there.
There it goes. So Liam, how do you like you living on the hog eye with your papa?
It's nice. It's a lot of space. It's the one thing I do not like about living out here is not close to my friends.
Yeah.
But that's fine. You're not being close to the grocery store, but that's fine.
They call that it's a little more inconvenient, right? It's like
Yeah.
not as easy to go to the store, not as easy to go to friends and stuff
Yeah.
like that.
But it's beautiful, as you
Yeah.
can see.
Yeah, let's give them do a little panorama. See the equipment way off on the hill there? Wonder who that is.
That is, I want to say it's Archer's, but no, because that's Chapman's.
Could it be where's Chapman's field at down here?
Oh, it's like by the river and stuff.
No, I mean, don't they have some property out here on the hog eye they farm?
No, I don't know.
Oh.
But
Well, anyway, we can. Might be Warren's. Is that Warren's that up
yes,
there?
that's Warren's.
You can see over here. Nice.
Yeah.
Cool. So what kind of things, now that you live in the country, what kind of things do you do?
Well, now that we have a bigger space, I can ride four-wheelers and dirt bikes. But we can also harvest. But out here, since... Here, can I show something?
Yeah.
Out here, since... See those trees down there? I don't know if you can see it.
You see it through the camera? Yeah, I see those trees.
Those trees down there, those really black spots,
Yeah.
that's where my house is surrounded by. And that's where we live. So we're actually not that far behind. My mom is coming up in the tractor right there.
Yeah.
My papa's harvesting.
So what's your dad doing?
My dad is waiting and sitting in his truck in the AC.
Yeah, because what do we got? I'm showing 100 degrees up here. It was 103 in town.
Yeah, so, and it said some dry lightning out here in Dayton, in Washington, or in Dayton.
Well, I hope not, but we could, with this heat,
some.
I know, but we do not want a fire.
No, because that's bad, because we got some bad stuff from the last couple of years from a guy that wanted to give us a $900 fire extinguisher that was like that big. And,
oh, that's you. It's okay. It'll go off.
and so what happened was that this guy's kid, they had a brand new Case 2042 combine, and it was a big combine. It was brand new, and there was a tractor, and it was a Case 2042, and you know how those people say, like, it's like, no, nothing will happen, it's brand new.
Yeah.
It happened because it was hot, it was a hot day, and it was a gasser.
A gasser, what do you mean by that?
It runs on gas.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And the wheat was tall, like what my papa's doing right now.
Yeah.
And they were driving through the wheat, and it caught on fire, and it caught the tractor on fire, and the whole tractor was a brand new 2020.
Wow. Brand new tractor.
Brand new. Yeah. So we'll get down the field, down to where we park, and we'll have a talk with my dad and ask him some stuff. So,
Okay.
see you down there.
All right, taking in load. Glory. Look at that. Got 105 hot. Oh, then you get a better cooler. Nice smoking. Get a cold bastard.